Hi Jose. So this video shows the progress that has been made so far for the ITP web development page that has been interested upon me. As you can see, there has been progress in making the navigation pages and its corresponding content. As per the previous, or as per the main page, the changes in the main page, what you can see here, the changes made were the hover off and on effects on each of the navigation tabs. As you can see here, the corresponding tabs get highlighted upon mouse over and mouse out. The bottom part of the page remains the same. There are not many changes onto them. They've not provided the navigation pages for each of these links because they do not have the content yet. So let me go to the main navigation pages here. As you can see, I've started with lab resources, study materials, and contact us. I have not worked with sponsors, alumni, and careers because I did not have much idea or content about them. So let me begin with the demo of lab resources. As you can see, this is the format of the navigation pages here. Sorry about that. Towards the left, you have the navigation links for each of the corresponding content. As you can see here, lab resources has its own page. I provided a feature wherein you can embed videos to the page. So we could probably start working on the lab video, that is a 360-degree view of the lab, so that we could put this into our main page, or we could put them into the lab resources. Then I've got some more links. Again, I've put the dummy text so that once we have the exact content, we could probably replace them with the exact content. On hovering upon them, the corresponding color changes, and when you click on a particular tab, you have the corresponding content that is displayed. Moving on to study materials. Again, you have the main page of study materials where we can probably give a description of the lecture videos, the books available, blah blah blah. Then you have the lecture slides. So when you click on them, you have the lecture slides that were posted on Integrity Player as part of Kate Education. As you can see, clicking on a particular link takes you to its corresponding lecture class. So when I click on this, it takes me to the Integrity Player. I'm sorry, it's buffering a bit, and it's going to start in a few minutes.
And FCQs are online, so you can get
yeah. So right now we have the class which are taken for us. Now there are certain more tabs which I do not know what to put them into, so I just left them as it is, and probably when I see what content has to come, I'll probably replace them with their corresponding content. So I just wanted to mainly focus on the video classes, as you had told me. So this was about the study materials. Now let me go to contact us. So contact us has your mailing address of the lab. As you can see, I've not changed much content. The content is the same as what we had as per the previous website. Then you have email us, where you can probably fill out the content of, say, first name, last name, organization, information, content, etc. For information, I've written the same three headings, that is general, corporate relationship and donations. Then you have the send and clear buttons. Send would send the email, and clear would clear all the fields. The next part is find us. So this page tells us about the directions to locate the telecom lab. So I've written the same map which was there in the previous site. I've also given the option of embedding a Google map in order to locate the engineering center. As you can see, this gives us the location of engineering center, and it can be used to find it can be used to find engineering center from wherever the other person is. So that was pretty much the progress that I've made so far for the ITP Lab website. There's some more progress to be made, and I shall update that once and as and when the whole thing is ready. Thank you, Jose.